we had a couple of solutions that, even though they approached the challenge from different angles, came up with a usable application that we can easily implement.
The mission of Women++ very well aligns with our D&I strategy, and particularly very well connects with our goal to increase the share of women in tech. We truly believe that diverse teams are much stronger, and also feel the call that we actually have to walk towards a more diverse and inclusive society.
As a woman in tech myself, these kinds of events are really close to my heart because I think they're very important to show support, and I've had the extreme luck to have mentors throughout my studies and my career, and I wanted to give back my time, my energy, my support to new people that I meet, which are incredible, and be able to mentor them, show support so that they can also shine in their careers.
The experience of building a full web application with all the parts in place, it gave me so much of understanding how this world operates with all the small pieces, because before I was working in a big operation, so I saw only my piece, so it developed me incredibly.
Women++ reached out and asked us if we could be co-product owners of a Shift project, because now, out of an idea we had, we today saw 5 prototypes, which we might still work on in the future.